Hi everyone, this is Abby from the Building for Kids, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple density column. What you need to make your density column is a nice clear container, a nice tall glass will work, or if you have a vase, some water, oil, either olive oil or canola oil will work, and then also some rubbing alcohol. So to make your simple density column, what you need to do first is pour 1/4 of a cup of water into your cup. Then the next thing that you're going to add is your oil. If you have olive oil, you can use that. If you have canola oil or another type of cooking oil at home, that will work fine too, as long as they are all equal amounts. So you can slowly pour your oil into your cup. You can either try to pour it along the side of your glass container, or if you have a little bit of patience, you can just pour it right in the middle because the oil will float to the top of the water. Okay, so now we have 2 layers. Our third layer for our density column is going to be rubbing alcohol, which means it has the lightest density. So I use some food coloring to color my rubbing alcohol, and then I'm very carefully going to pour it, maybe using the side of my glass, into my density column. So what and we'll have to wait a little bit for it to settle. So what a density column actually is that the heaviest liquid will sit at the bottom and the other layers of the lighter or the heavier liquids will go on the top. So with our example here, we have our blue water at the bottom, we have our canola oil in the middle, and at the very top we have our rubbing alcohol. So there is our simple density column that we were making today. Still waiting for it to settle out a little bit there. But if you really like a challenge, you can make a density column with 5 layers, or if you look online, there's one with 7 layers as well. So our 5-layer density column that I made here has corn syrup on the bottom, a little tiny green layer of dish soap, then we have some blue water, and then at the very top again, we have, I forgot what I put there, we have vegetable oil at the top. So if you had some rubbing alcohol, you could pour on the top of that, and that would float on the very top. So there is how you can make a very simple density column. Why don't you try it out and see how it works for you? Thanks for joining me today.